How to fix Roku Error Code 018 Proven Solutions, 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Truth Reviews. If your Roku is showing error code 018, it means your device is detecting poor internet download speed, causing buffering or failed streaming. Don't worry, this is a very common network issue. Today I'm sharing the top 10 step-by-step fixes that actually work in 2026. Let's get your Roku streaming smoothly again. Point 1. Understand the error. Error 018 specifically signals that your internet bandwidth is too low for reliable streaming. Roku needs consistent speeds, ideally 25 megabits per second plus for HD, more for 4K. Run a speed test on your phone or computer while connected to the same network. Point 2. Restart your Roku device. First and simplest fix, restart your Roku. Go to Settings, System, Power, System Restart, or unplug the power cord for 30-60 seconds, then plug back in. This clears temporary glitches. Point 3. Restart your router and modem. Power cycle your router. Unplug it and your modem for at least 60 seconds. Plug the modem back first, wait for lights to stabilize, then the router. This refreshes your internet connection and often resolves speed issues. Point 4. Check and improve Wi-Fi signal strength. Move your Roku closer to the router or remove obstacles like walls and devices causing interference. In Roku settings in GT, Network, check signal strength. Switch to 5 GHz band if available for better performance. Point 5. Test your internet speed. Use a browser on another device to run a speed test, fast.com or speedtest.net. Aim for at least 25 megabits per second download. If slow, pause downloads, streaming on other devices, or contact your ISP. Point 6. Reduce network congestion. Too many devices on your Wi-Fi? Disconnect phones, smart home gadgets, or gaming consoles temporarily. Use wired Ethernet connection for Roku if possible for more stable speeds. Point 7. Update Roku software. Go to Settings in GT, System in GT, System Update in GT, check now. Installing the latest firmware can fix bugs related to network detection. Keep your Roku updated regularly. Point 8. Try a mobile hotspot test. Connect your Roku to a phone's mobile hotspot temporarily. If it works fine, the issue is with your home network or ISP. This helps isolate the problem quickly. Point 9. Factory reset as last resort. If nothing works, Settings in GT, System in GT, Advanced System Settings in GT, Factory Reset. Note: this erases all apps and logins, so you'll need to set up again. Use only after trying other steps. Point 10. Advanced tips and when to call support. Change DNS to Google's 8.8.8.8 in router settings, use a Wi-Fi extender, or upgrade your internet plan. Check Roku's official support page for outages. If error persists, contact your ISP or Roku support with speed test results. Conclusion: these 10 fixes should resolve Roku Error Code 018 for most users. Start with restarts and speed tests, they solve it 80% of the time. Which step worked for you? Drop your experience or any other Roku issues in the comments. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more tech troubleshooting guides, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Happy streaming!